up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, BMW M3 E92, and this thing is a beast. I think one of the best M3s they built. V8 sound, nothing beats that, especially once you put a tune, exhaust, man, it just rips. I used to have one back in the days and I miss it. I had a white one with black interior, manual transmission, and it was so much fun driving it. Maybe if I could find another one with low miles, I would love to buy it. But this is our new project. Right side damage, nothing too crazy. Let's take a look and see exactly what we got. This is the damage. I don't know what happened. Either he spun out or hit something, but look how the hood got tear down, just missing a chunk. So obviously the hood, fender, headlight, bumper, reinforcement, fender liner, and bunch of little plastic pieces. So right now we're gonna pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, assess the damage, start ordering all the new parts, and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Let's go. I got the BMW inside of the shop, so now we can start working on it, and I'm gonna put the car on QUICKJACK, so this way I got nice access to take everything apart. And before we put the car on QUICKJACK, I gotta remove the side skirt because I gotta remove the fender, and there's 2 or 3 bolts right here hitting. In order to remove the side skirt, first thing what you do, you pop this cover, and then there's a bunch of clips and then a bunch of bolts at the bottom, and then it should come up. And then we'll put the car on QUICKJACKs and start taking the front end apart. So now we got to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Just removed all the clips on top so the rocker is loose and free. Next I gotta remove all the bolts at the bottom, and then we could remove the side skirt. Put my jack. See, those are the 2 bolts I was talking about. Just got the BMW up in the air, so now we could start working on it. And once again, big shout out to QUICKJACKs for making my life a lot easier to work on this BMW. All the information down in the description, check them out, highly recommend. So now we could start taking everything apart, remove the fender, hood, bumper, headlight, and see if anything else is damaged. We'll let the fun begin. Boom, look at this monster. V8 baby. We see some damage on the upper radiator support. We'll take everything apart and see what else is damaged. So right now we'll continue removing everything up here. Gotta remove the wheel. We'll send this out right now as well. Just took the whole front end apart, and this is what we're looking at, because this is a whole one solid piece, and right here this broke off, so unfortunately I have to replace this whole assembly altogether. Just took everything apart, and here's all the damaged parts. So reinforcement is damaged right here, and then upper support, this broke off. This is supposed to be all together. Bumper, headlight, fender, and hood I just removed. But yeah, this is what the car looks like. Everything else is perfect. This didn't get damaged, radiator is good, so yeah, everything else is good. So now we could start ordering all the new parts and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. New parts arrived for the BMW, so now we could start putting the car back together. Okay, let's start transferring everything. Just put the front support completely together, so now we're ready to start reinstalling it. And this is what it looks like, the whole assembly, and it's just gonna slide right in there. BMW fender and bumper is painted, so now we could start installing. The only thing, we're still waiting for the hood. We're gonna be installing a carbon fiber hood, gonna look very nice. And then for the final, we're gonna be installing a carbon fiber front spoiler as well. Gonna be black with lots of carbon fiber. So we're gonna have a spoiler, roof, hood, and front splitter. Gonna look very nice. Let's do this. Just installed the fender, so we're all set on the right side, and I just noticed something that I missed completely. I can't believe I missed that. If we look at the left side fender, when I removed the bumper, I didn't see this. So the fender broke off when it got into the collision from the pressure. So we're gonna have to order a new fender and replace this fender as well. So made a mistake, didn't pay attention too much on the left side, and that's what happened. Well, luckily I caught it. So we'll order a new fender and replace that as well. For now, we'll continue putting the front bumper together, and the fender should arrive sometimes tomorrow. I'm back on the BMW. We received the fender yesterday. Luckily, they had one in stock. So Andre painted it already, so it's all clear and ready for installation. So we'll do a quick swap. Should be easy, and the reason why we're replacing it, because it's damaged right here. Just installed both of the headlights, so next we could start installing the hood. So now we could move on to the bumper. Wow, came out beautiful. Such an aggressive front bumper with the splitter and carbon fiber hood. Wow, game over. Looks like a race car. So let's pull the car out. We gotta do quick alignment, and then after that we'll do wash, detail, and it's ready for delivery. Let's go. BMW is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful, like nothing happened. Especially the front end, such a mean looking machine. I love it. The carbon fiber pops like crazy. The front spoiler and the hood. Wow. And guess what, guys? We hit 400,000 subscribers on YouTube. Woo! Super happy. very grateful and thankful for every single one of you guys. Couldn't done that without you guys. You guys are the best. Hopefully by the end of this year we could hit 500,000. That would be a goal. Hopefully with your help. I'm pretty sure we will. So once again, big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!